Alright, this is your white flag, guys. Get them doubled up, fill the spot. For front row, we'll fire together, side by side, nice and even, at my man Fast Steady down there at turn 4 at the start line sign. Rows 2 on back, we'll stay in line until you clear the start line sign, turn 4. Red. Get them stopped, guys. Everybody get them stopped. Everyone get them stopped. Red. Get them stopped, guys. Everybody get them stopped. Red. Get them stopped, guys. Everybody get them stopped. Open red, everyone. If you need to take your car to the pit, you'll just have to start at the back of the field.
Elevate your business. We'll go further and experience it on the Hamilton Midwest today. Report from the basement crew. His driver is getting okay after that. We'll wrap those final pictures in this year at any time car gets up on its side or there's always a concern situation. We appreciate the crew raising that and their quick response to that. I think we just hopped on that there, I think, well there. Should be lots of the way from it. You see it and the next ride can continue on. And we've got our winning ticket number here as well. You're ready for it? Race fans, now it's time for a total of $140.
That's 74. 9th row, 69. Then it's the 4309, 2232L, 17.
Alright, we're going to go green when we get back around to turn 4. Front row will fire together, side by side, nice and even at the start line sign. Rows 2 on back, we'll stay in line until you clear the start line sign in turn 4. laps, but come quick, boys and girls. Keep it up front.
miles, 5K, 71C, 1R Junior, 1720.
Victory lane will be held after the modlite feature. Victory lane will be held after the modlite feature.
Hey, let's see if we can grab Kenny here real quick. There. I want to see the back end of this race car here. Hey, let me come around. That thing was hanging off, flapping in the breeze. Oh, you're all taken up. You did a little take rip for Victory Lane. I like that. Talk to us about the ride and putting everything in the field. Looked like a rocket ship out there tonight.
Yeah, car was definitely wild. The track was definitely beautiful. Hats off to Bob. Really nice racing. Said car was definitely wild. We were on mission, so it's nice to get this back